Hey, it's finally here. Let's quickly unbox it, set it up, and print something. Come on, let's go. Alright, toolbox. I loosened all the screws. Those red arrows, there were 4 screws, and we can just remove this. We have to remove these 3 screws. Remove this. Can I move it? I don't know if I could move it. I moved it. Whatever. Oh, there's more. So AMS goes on top. And that's about it. Now we have to connect the printers, set up, download Bamboo Studio, Bamboo Handy, and all that amazing, you can't see anything. But anyway, all that amazing, boring stuff. But as soon as we finish this, we can get to printing. So, see you in a bit. All right, first print done. Oh, okay. No glue, no nothing. That's the provided sample. Basic PLA green. I see no problems with it. It prints fine. It's amazing. And it took just, it doesn't say, but it took just about 15, or no, 20 minutes maybe. Cool. Now let me go print everything.